everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to change phone number on Bigo Live. So let's get started. First, open your Bigo Live application. Then tap on Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Then tap on Account Management. Now tap on Phone option. And then select Change Phone Number option. Tap on the Send button to get verification code to change your phone number. Then select the country from drop-down menu. And then type in your new phone number. Now tap Send to get verification code. Now type in your verification code. Then tap on Done button. And this is how you can change your phone number on Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.